Hi there, students. To adjourn, a verb, an adjournment, the noun. Okay, to adjourn means to postpone till later, to stop temporarily, to cancel and move to another time, especially for a meeting. I think this verb to adjourn is most commonly used for a court. The trial was adjourned until the next day. Okay, to suspend, to stop, and to fix a later time and or place to do something. Shall we adjourn for a break and start again in 15 minutes? Now, mostly to adjourn means to stop, but you're going to start again. But you can use to adjourn, meaning to finish completely. So, I think we've covered all the points in this meeting. Shall we adjourn? Shall we stop? But I guess there's going to be another meeting, another day, in the future, but not necessarily. We can also use this phrase to adjourn, meaning to move to another place, to go to another location, especially a less formal setting. Shall we adjourn to the pub and we can carry on our conversation? After the dinner, the guests adjourned to the living room, which was much more comfortable. So they stopped in one place and moved to another. The court adjourned for lunch. There was a 1-hour adjournment for everybody to have lunch. So, as I said, most normally this is to stop and start again, particularly to stop at the end of a day, and then you know you're going to start again tomorrow. So we've been working all day and it's late. Shall we adjourn? And the idea is we'll all come back tomorrow and start again. Okay? So, to adjourn, a regular verb, the court adjourned. The court has adjourned. I think with this court break, or for a meeting, this is really quite a formal word, and I'd probably give it a 7 in formality. But this phrase, shall we adjourn to the pub? This is much more informal, and I'd probably give it a 5 in formality. But let's see. The formal one, to adjourn the court, to take a break, to take a lunch break, or to postpone. Shall we adjourn this meeting till next week? Shall we postpone it, suspend it until next week? And what about the origin? Well, this comes from French and ultimately from Latin. I think there's an old French verb, adjourner. So, add, to, and then jour, day, to another day, yeah? Day comes from Latin, dies, okay? So, to move to another day. So, to adjourn, to take a break and start later. To stop for the day and start again tomorrow. But it can mean to stop altogether, yeah? They adjourned, they finished, they stopped. So there you go, to adjourn. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To adjourn.